What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this amazing and good memories game that is the snake game from the old mobile. How to create this game only using Canva. Yes, Canva has an AI that can create this game for you, can program, can code, and can deploy in the case that you want, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, all we have to do is go to your Canva. You can go to the web app or to the website, click on it, and now we're going to be able to find a couple of options. You need to select Canva AI, step into World of Learning, click on Canva AI. Now we can design for me, create image, draft a doc, code for me, or create a video clip, code for me. Then there is a couple of options. All I have to do now is use this simple script, create a game for me. In the old Snake mobile game style, okay? So all this that I want, okay? Go to move forward. You can see the code being worked on. It's an HTML code, so you can save as an HTML game in the case that you want to deploy. Here all the parameters. There is CSS. You can make the game and the code into another format in the case that you want, another language, but by default they're gonna create it for you using the HTML. And here is the result I got. Amazing, right? And of course, you can go to the game over, okay? And my score. But here is the result I got. It's the version 1. I can click on it to understand more about the version. But in the case that you want, you can move back to the code and you can use it into some design in the case that you want, for example, to deploy a page. But I can give more instructions to create a better game. I can change colors, I can change the layout, I can change the navigation. Basically, I can change everything that I want. For example, I can change the name right here. I can change the language of the game. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com, amazing portfolio for WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!